Are you desperately looking to reclaim your precious evening hours while still serving incredible, home-cooked meals? A top-tier versatile cooking appliance can completely transform your kitchen efficiency. Today, I am highlighting the absolute best multi-cookers on the market to help you master any recipe with total ease. Let us get started. Product number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker. When I want a highly intuitive appliance that reliably manages my entire dinner preparation, this incredible 9-in-1 device is my absolute go-to. I am thoroughly impressed by the highly advanced, easy-to-read digital display that clearly indicates exactly where I am in the cooking process with dedicated time, temperature, and exact pressure readouts. The fantastic 15 customizable smart programs allow me to flawlessly transition from sterilizing baby bottles to perfectly slow cooking a tender roast with zero hassle. I really love the beautifully crafted 18/8 stainless steel inner pot, featuring a brilliant anti-spin, tri-ply bottom that stays completely steady when I am vigorously searing hot ingredients. The completely redesigned easy-release steam switch is an amazing upgrade, giving me a perfectly fast and safe steam release without burning my fingers. With its generous 6-quart capacity, it effortlessly handles large-scale batch cooking, making it an incredibly durable and indispensable tool for busy weeknights. Product number 2. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. For those who want a remarkably capable and highly proven kitchen workhorse, this classic 7-in-1 model consistently delivers spectacular culinary results. I find the massive 6-quart capacity to be incredibly practical, effortlessly holding enough food to serve 6 people, making it absolutely perfect for large family dinners or extensive meal prepping. The high-performance 1000-watt heating element guarantees that I can completely cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods, saving me an immense amount of time. I really appreciate the 13 distinct one-touch smart options, which beautifully streamline the entire process of steaming vegetables, making perfect fluffy rice, or slow-roasting tough cuts of meat. The inclusion of over 10 built-in safety mechanisms, including advanced overheat protection and an incredibly secure lid lock, provides me with ultimate peace of mind. It is a phenomenally sturdy and user-friendly device that perfectly masters all essential cooking functions. Product number 3. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker. If you are cooking for a much smaller household or simply have incredibly limited counter space, this wonderfully compact mini cooker is an absolute revelation. I am genuinely amazed that this tiny 3-quart device manages to pack the exact same phenomenal power and versatility as its much larger siblings without sacrificing any performance. The intuitive 11 one-touch smart programs allow me to rapidly whip up perfectly portioned side dishes, oatmeal, or small batches of incredibly rich soup totally effortlessly. I love the superior quality of the pro-grade stainless steel pot, maintaining an exceptional heat distribution that guarantees beautifully even cooking and fantastic seared flavors. Because the inner pot and locking lid are completely dishwasher safe, the dreaded post-meal cleanup takes literally seconds to complete. It acts as an incredibly potent, high-speed culinary assistant that perfectly fits inside even the most cramped dorm rooms or minimalist apartment kitchens. Product number 4. Instant Pot Pro 8 Cutie 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. When I need to effortlessly feed an enormous crowd or completely dominate my weekly meal prep, this highly advanced, massive 8-quart powerhouse is undeniably my top choice. I am completely blown away by the astonishing 28 customizable smart programs, giving me unparalleled precision to flawlessly execute complex techniques like sous vide and high-temperature baking. The incredibly powerful 1400-watt heating element is a massive upgrade, brilliantly preheating 20% faster so I can get food onto the table in absolute record time. I absolutely love the incredibly safe, gentle steam release switch paired with the brilliant diffusing cover, which guarantees a remarkably quiet and entirely controlled venting process. The thoughtful addition of premium, easy grip silicone handles on the inner pot allows me to safely lift incredibly heavy, piping hot meals straight out of the base. It is an exceptionally professional-grade appliance designed to easily conquer the most demanding cooking challenges. Product number 5. Instant Pot for Cutie Rio Mini 7-in-1 Multicooker. Rounding out my top picks is a beautifully modern, brilliantly sized cooker that bridges the gap perfectly between compact and high capacity. I absolutely adore the stunning, sleek rosewater finish, which instantly adds a wonderful touch of highly modern aesthetic charm to my kitchen countertop. The 4-quart capacity hits the absolute perfect sweet spot, allowing me to effortlessly prepare generous meals for up to 4 people without dominating my entire workspace. I find the highly intuitive progress indicator incredibly helpful, letting me monitor the exact status of my meal with just a quick, passing glance. The incredibly clever anti-spin inner pot design ensures the bowl stays completely rigid and steady, providing a vastly superior experience when I am rapidly sautéing thick, heavy ingredients. Operating at a highly efficient 800 watts, it safely and rapidly produces phenomenally flavorful meals with incredibly minimal cleanup effort required. That concludes my comprehensive guide to the top multi-cooking machines available right now. Check the links provided to grab your favorite model and entirely transform your weeknight dinners.